Hi students, as we all know that Unacademy is doing so outstandingly well as far as preparation for judicial examinations is concerned. It is probably one of the best forums to crack judiciary today. The good news is that Unacademy had started Unlock 20 offer in which they were providing 20% discount on all subscriptions. On a very popular demand, there was a very heavy demand to continue the 20% discount for another 3 days. The Unacademy has acceded to this huge demand and has increased the subscription 20% discount unlock 20 offer from 29th to 31st. That means 29th, 30th and 31st, 3 days extension you are getting for 20% discount. Don't miss this offer. Join as quickly as possible so that you can get the benefit of this reduced subscription rate. Come and join us. Join Unacademy. Let's crack it.